So, what's the move for you? Honestly, we gonna hit a meet or something?
Man, what we doing? I don't know.
Tonight?
Yeah. What's the move for tonight? Cause I didn't do nothing last
I don't know. You know, they might have meat tonight. I might bring out the 6 tonight. Roll out in the 6, or I can dip out in the 7. Either one.
I didn't realize you had the chromes on it, man.
Yeah.
It just look good. There's chrome on that motherfucker.
That's the one.
That shit look
Hey,
good.
I'm glad you're here. Look at the top and the back and tell me if that can match up like the front.
I got you.
Cause I think they have painted the car.
You see how like on the door it's real shiny, and on the top,
It's dull.
yeah, it's dull as hell at the top on the roof. Yeah.
I can make it match.
They probably did halfway paint that
You know I can
motherfucker.
make that match, man.
That motherfucker look good on the side.
She's heading over.
She heading over?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. So Nick, what's your day been like, man? Let these folks know what's going on with you today. What you been doing? What you been getting into?
So honestly and truly, man, I got up at like 4:30 this morning because I couldn't sleep.
Yeah.
It's cold, so I was like, man, I really don't want to go outside and do nothing. But threw some clothes on, you know, got a jacket and stuff, went outside, got the Celica out, cleaned it up. Cause I ain't actually pulled it out in a while, man. It's been, the car scene hasn't seen the Celica since last year. They seen the Audi and everything else I've been driving, but under maintenance right now. The suspension's getting done all the way through. It's hard to find time because I'm so booked out. But going all the way through, lowering it down, good little bit, different wheels, little small camber kit on it, fresh axle setup, all the bushings and bearings in the front you can name. Basically a whole suspension overhaul because it is a 1990 and has factory suspension in it. So we're just gonna give it a full fresh up, liven it up, make sure that it's back to the track way that it was supposed to be. Giving it that lower and little aggressive stance is gonna help it grip the road a little bit more. Bring out that little, you know, close to, I guess, 175 horsepower that the Toyota Celica actually came with. But we got a lot of plans for the Celica this year. Strip the wrap, redo the whole car. That's a secret for right now. We ain't gonna expose that too much. But as soon as we're done with it, probably be about a month or 2 before, you know, we actually see it out. But whenever we do have it out, it's gonna be crazy.
Okay. Let me tighten this bolt up and we're gonna be done for this side. Make sure I got the right size on here. Oh. Make sure we're going the right way. Then we use a zip. Well, thought we were going to use the zip.